Hi, you're welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, I'm Love Beauty, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around to this channel. So in today's video, I'll be talking about how to make a whitening facial cream, or you can call it Molanto facial cream. Okay, so I'm not going to take much of your time because it has been long I posted on my channel, so I just decided to just make this quick video and post for you guys. Okay, so i'll be I'll be calling out I'll be listing out the things you need to make this whitening face cream. So if you are interested to make it, you can jot it down, and remember that whenever you are making a skincare product for yourself, that it's very necessary that you check the pH of your product. Okay, even if after listing out these things, it's very important that you too, after doing it, you check the pH of the product to make sure that it's okay for your skin. Okay, so I'm going to be calling out the things you need to make this face cream. So you'll be using skin-free milk face cream. If you're making big quantity, you can use 4 pieces of it. You can use 4 pieces of skin-free milk. Okay, so I'm going to be making large quantity. If you are making a small quantity of it, then know that you have to divide all these things I'm going to list for you. You have to divide it into 2. Okay, so 4 skin-free milk, 4 S-White facial cream. Okay, I'm not going to be editing this video. Everything I say, I'm not going to be editing this video, so I can't put the picture on the screen. Okay, you can just Google all these things I mentioned. S-White face cream, you'll be needing 4 pieces of it, and you'll be needing 2 tablespoons of rosehip oil, 4 tablespoons of carrot oil, 1 pieces of white me now, please. And when getting this white me now, you should be careful because there is white now and there is white me now. So when getting this white me now, you have to be careful so you get the correct one. Okay, the one I'm talking about is the one made with lemon. White me now. Okay, do make sure to Google it, because when you Google, you are going to get white now, but the one you're going to use is white me now. Okay, so you'll be needing 1 pieces of white me now and glutathione tube. Okay, you'll be needing 4 pieces of it, of glutathione tube cream, and you'll be needing 4 tablespoons of glutathione powder. Okay, and you'll be needing green salt tube. Okay, 1 green salt tube, because of pimples, and so you won't react. Okay, because of pimples. Okay, so you'll be needing you'll be using 1 green salt tube. Okay, now how to make this is, after you've gotten all the things I just mentioned now, you bring out a very clean bowl. Do make sure to sterilize your bowl, and first of all, you go in with your tube together with your face cream and every other thing. Okay, make sure you dissolve your glutathione powder with Grace cleanser. Dissolve it with more Grace cleanser. Okay, or you can dissolve it with any cleanser of your choice. Okay, and please make sure that you are not dissolving it with a harsh cleanser. Make sure you are not dissolving your powder with a harsh cleanser. Okay, I would prefer you go with the Grace I just mentioned, but if you don't have Grace, you can go with any cleanser you have. Okay, so I'm going to stop here today. For today, I'm going to stop here. I actually made this video because I got a warning from YouTube that my channel is going to get demonetized and I don't post regularly, and I don't post regularly because of some certain things I'm putting together, and I promise I'm going to come back to be uploading very good content for you guys. Okay, so if you've not subscribed to this channel, do make sure to subscribe. See you on my next video.